These 35 places described in Mahabharata still exist today. India was divided into many big districts during the Mahabharata period. The 35 states and cities that we are going to mention in the Mahabharata still exist today. You should also see. First, Gandhar. Today's Kandahar was once known as Gandhar. This country was spared from Rawalpindi in Pakistan to Forway, Afghanistan. Dhritarashtra's wife Gandhari was the daughter of King Subaldeyar. Gandhari brother Sakuni was Duryodhan's maternal uncle. Second, Takshashila. Takshashila was the capital of Gandhar country. It is currently called Rawalpindi. Takshashila is also called the city of knowledge and education. Third, Kekia Pradesh, the northern region of Jammu and Kashmir is mentioned in the Mahabharata as Kekia Pradesh. King Jashan of Kekia Pradesh was married to Radha Devi, sister of Vasudev. His son Vind was a friend of Jarasandha and Duryodhana. Vind supported the Kauravas in the Mahabharata war. For Madhya Pradesh, which is adjacent to Kekia Pradesh, means Jammu and Kashmir, according to Atarya Brahman. Madhya Pradesh was also called Uttar Kuru due to its proximity to the Himalayas. During the Mahabharata period, the king of Madhya Pradesh was Shailya, whose sister Madri was married to King Pandu. Nakul and Sahdev were the son of Madri. Ujjanak. Today's Nainital is mentioned as Ujjanak in the Mahabharata. Guru Dronacharya used to teach weapons to the Pandavas and Kauravas here. Kunti's son Bhim established a shivling here on the order of Guru Drona. This is the reason why this area is also known as Bhimshankar. There is a hug temple of Lord Shiva here. Some experts believe that this shivling is one of the 12 Jyotirlings. 6. Shividesh. In the Mahabharata period, South Punjab was called Shividesh. Mahabharata mentioned Maharaja Usnir, whose grandson was Shivai. Shivai's daughter Devika was married to Yudhishthir. Shivai was a great archer and he supported the Pandavas in the battle of Kurukshetra. 7. Banganga. Banganga is located at a distance of about there kilometers from Kurukshetra. It is said that Bhishma Pitama, who was injured in the fierce battle of Mahabharata, was laid on a bed here. According to the story, when Bhishma felt thirsty and asked for water, Arjun struck the ground with his arrows and the stream of Ganga burst out. This is the reason why this place is called Banganga. 8. Kurukshetra. Ambala here of Haryana is also known as Kurukshetra. The famous battle of Mahabharata took place here. Not only this, in ancient times, Brahmaji had organized a yagya here. There is also a Brahma Sarovar of Brahmakund at this place. It is written in Srimad Bhagavat that before the war of Mahabharata, Lord Krishna had bathed in this Sarovar along with other members of Yaduvanshi. 9. Hastinapur. Their area of Hastinapur mentioned in Mahabharata is around Meerut. This place was the capital of Chandravanshi king. In true sense, The script of Mahabharata war was written here. After the Mahabharata war, the Pandavas made Hastinapur the capital of their kingdom. 10th, Varanavata. This place is also believed to be near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. Duryodhana had bullied Lakshagraha in Varnavata to kill the Pandavas by deceit. This place is on the banks of the river Ganga. According to the story of Mahabharata, Varnavata was one of the 5 villages demanded by the Pandavas to avoid this historic war. Even today there is a small village here whose name is Varnavata. 11. Panchal Pradesh. The area in the foothills of the Himalayas is referred to as Panchal Pradesh. The king of Panchal was Draupadi, whose daughter Draupadi was married to Arjun. Draupadi is also known as Panchali. 12. Indraprastha. This area of present-day South Delhi is described in the Mahabharata as Indraprastha. According to the story, there was a dense forest at this place named Kandavana. The Pandavas built their capital here with the help of Vishwakarma. A small town named Indraprastha still exists today. 13. Vrindavan. This place is about 10 km away from Mathura. Vrindavan is now for the childhood antics of Lord Krishna. The Banke Bihari temple here is famous. 14. Gokul. Situated on the bank of river Yamuna, this place is also about 8 km away from Mathura. To protect Krishna from Kansa, his father Vasudev left him in Gokul at the house of his friend Nandrai. Krishna and his elder brother Balram grew up together in Gokul. 15. Barsana. This place is also in Uttar Pradesh. The 4 hills here are said to be the 4 faces of Brahma. 16. Mathura, situated on the bank of river Yamuna, this famous city is very famous for the flowers of Hinduism. Lord Krishna was born here in the prison of King Kansa. It was here that Krishna later killed Kansa. Later Krishna's grandson Vajranath was given the throne of Mathura. 17. Angdesh. The area of Gonda district of Uttar Pradesh at present is mentioned as Angdesh in Mahabharata. Duryodhana had declared Karna as the king of this country. According to beliefs, Jarasandha had gifted Angdesh to Duryodhana. This place is also known as Shaktipeeth. 18. Koshambi. Koshambi was the capital of Vatsa country. The people of this city, presently near Allahabad, had supported the Kauravas in the war of Mahabharata. Later, the Kuru dynasty took over Koshambi. Parikshit's sons Janmejaya made Koshambi his capital. 19. Kashi. Kashi was considered the basin of education during the Mahabharata period. According to the Mahabharata story, Bhishma Pitama had won the daughters of Kashi king Amba, Ambika and Ambalika so that he could marry them to Vichitravirya. Amba was in a love affair with King Salya, so she refused to marry Vichitravirya. Ambika and Ambalika were married to Vichitravirya. Vichitravirya had 2 sons from Amba and Ambalika, Dhritarashtra and Pandu. Later, Dhritarashtra's sons were called Kauravas and Pandu's sons were called Pandavas. 20. Ekchakra Nagari. The present day district of Bihar was known as Ekchakra Nagari during the Mahabharata period. After escaping the Lakshagraha conspiracy, the Pandavas lived in Ekchakra Nagari for a long time. At this place, Bhima killed a demon named Bakashur. After the Mahabharata war, when Yudhishthir performed the Ashwamedha Yagya, Bakasu's son Bhishek captured his horse. Later, he was killed by Arjun. 21. Magad. Magad, present in South Bihar, was ruled by Jarasandh. It was the capital of Magad dynasty. Jarasandh's two daughters, Asti and Prapti, were married to Kans. When Lord Krishna killed Kans, he inadvertently become an enemy of Jarasandh. Jarasandh attacked Mathura several times. Later, during a wrestling match, Bhima killed Jarasandh. In the Mahabharata war, the people of Magad supported the Pandavas. 22. Pondradesh. This place is present-day Bihar, was ruled by King Pondrak. Pondrak was a friend of Jarasandh and he thought that he was Krishna. He not only disguised himself as Krishna but also liked to be called Vasudev and Purushottam. He was also present in Draupadi's Swayamvar. His enmity with Krishna was well known. He was killed by Lord Krishna during an attack on Dwarika. 23. Pragjyotishpur. Guwahati is mentioned in Mahabharata as Pragjyotishpur during Mahabharata period. Narakasur ruled here, who had imprisoned 16,000 girls. Later, Lord Krishna killed Narakasura and rescued all the 16,000 girls from there and brought them to Dwarika. He married all of them. It is believed that the famous Kamakhya Devi temple here was built by Narakasur. 24. Kamakhya. Kamakhya, located about 10 km from Guwahati, is a famous Shakti Peeth. According to the Bhagavad Purana, when Lord Shiva was running around in a frenzy with the dead body of Sati, Lord Vishnu cut the dead body of Sati into many pieces with his Sudarshana Chakra. The purpose of this was to free Lord Shiva from the burden of Sati's dead body. 51 pieces of Sati's body parts fell at different places and later these places become Shakti Peeths. Kamakhya is also one of those Shakti Peeths. 25. Manipur. Surrounded by Nagaland, Assam, Mizoram and Burma, Manipur is older than the Mahabharata period. Chitrang, the daughter of King Chitravan of Manipur, was married to Arjun. A son was born from this marriage, whose name was Brabhuvahan. After the death of King Chitravahan, Brabhuvahan was given the throne here. Brabhuvahan participated in the Rashtriya Yagya organized by Yudhishthir. 26. Sindhu Desh. Sindhu Desh refers to the ancient Indus civilization. The place was not only famous for its art and literatures, but was also a pioneer in commerce and trade. The king of the place, Jayadratha, was married of Dhritarashtra's daughter Dushyala. Jayadratha supported the Kauravas in the Mahabharata war and played a major role in the death of Abhimanyu during the Chakravyuha. 27. Matsya Desh. The northern region of Rajasthan is mentioned in Mahabharata as Matsya Desh. Its capital was Viratnagari. During their exile, the Pandavas lived in disguise as servants of King Virat. Here King Virat's commander and brother-in-law Kichak cast an evil eye on Draupadi. Later Bhim killed him. Arjun's son Abhimanyu was married to King Virat's daughter Uttara. 28. Muchkund Tirth. This place is in Dholpur, Rajasthan. After conquering Mathura, Kalyavan chased Lord Krishna and he hid himself in a cave. Mukchand was sleeping in that cave and Krishna put his yellow cloth on him. Chasing Krishna, Kalyavan also reached the same cave, mistaking Muchkand to be Krishna. He woke him up. As soon as Muchkan opened his eyes, Kalyavan was brought to ashes. According to beliefs, after the end of the Mahabharata war, when the Pandavas went towards the Himalayas and Krishna becomes a resident of Golak, then Kalyug set foot here for the first time. 29. Patan. According to the Mahabharata, Patan in Gujarat was a major commercial center in the Dwapar Yuga. Near Patan, Bhim killed a demon named Hidimba and married his sister Hidimba. Hidimba later gave birth to a son named Ghatotkacha. The story of Ghatotkacha and his son Barbarik is given in detail in the Mahabharata. 30. Dwarka. It is believed that this place situated on the western coast of Gujarat got submerged in the sea over time according to the story. To save the Yaduvanshis from the repeated attacks of Jarasandha, Krishna shifted his capital from Mathura to Dwarika. 31. Prabhas. This is situated on the west coast of Gujarat. It is said about this place that the place was the abode of Lord Shri Krishna. According to the Mahabharata story, Lord Shri Krishna was injured here due to an arrow hitting his toe. After he went to Golak, the city of Dwarika, drowned in the sea. Experts believe that the remains of the city of Dwarka have been found on the surface of the sea. 32. Avantika. Mention of Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh. It is mentioned as Avantika in Mahabharata. Rishi Sandipani had his ashram here. Avantika is considered one of the 7 holy cities of the country. Mahakal Linga, one of the 12 Jyotirlings of Lord Shiva, is established here. 33. Chedi. The present Gwalior region was known as Chedi Desh in the Mahabharata period, situated between Ganga and Narmada. Chedi was one of the prosperous cities of the Mahabharata period. This state was ruled by Shri Krishna's cousin Shishupal. Shishupal wanted to marry Rukmani, but Shri Krishna kidnapped Rukmani and married her. Due to this incident, the relationship between Shishupal and Shri Krishna deteriorated. Chedi king Shishupal was also invited during Yudhishthira's Rashtriya Yagya. When Shishupal abused Krishna here, Krishna cut his throat with Sudarshan Chakra. According to the story of Mahabharata, when the matter of enmity came to light, Shri Krishna's aunt requested him to give Shishupal a safe passage. On this, Shri Krishna told his aunt that she should forgive Shishupal 100 crimes but will not forgive his 101 mistakes. 34. Shonitpur. Shonitpur literacy of Madhya Pradesh was now as Sonitpur. During the Mahabharata period, Shonitpur was ruled by Banasur. Banasur daughters Usha was married to Lord Krishna's grandson Aniruddha. This place is a holy pilgrimage for Hindus. 35. Vidarbha sequence in the Habad period. The Vidarbha region was ruled by Jarasandha, friend King Bhishmaka. Rukmani was Bhishmaka's daughter. Lord Krishna kidnapped Rukmani and married her. This was the reason why Bhishmaka started considering him his enemy. When the Pandavas performed the Ashwamedha Yagya, Bhishmaka stopped their horse. Say they were defeated Bhishmaka in the battle. If you like the video and information, please like and subscribe the channel. Please do. Thank you.